a nice... You'll have to mind the neighbors. They tend to be really loud and obnoxious. Hmm? Yeah, he's good. He's the guy that won the one-on-one. Mm-hmm. I thought that was him. I could be wrong. I could be wrong. Yep. Alright. Which means that they're gonna sweep around over here. We need to cover this side. Guys. What's up? Oh shit, yeah I did. Can you put it in the... Hold on, let me see if I can't get it into the pouch. Right. It's the one thing about the suit, can't really do much for myself. Stay up on this window right here. Yes. Yes. From across the way. I don't see him. There they are! Here they come! They're coming from the behind! Coming from behind!
You're right.
Wait for them to peek their heads out. Shooting into that bush is a fucking death trap. They're out behind in the barricades! Got barricades! You see him? I see him. Can't fucking hit them, they're in the bushes. Save your ammo. Let them come closer.
One left!
You okay? We got a sniper up on the hill! Sniper up on the hill! Hey, can you take out the sniper? Get up in here, bro. Oh, dude, it didn't even break. It's you're out. Yep. We got one out! Paycheck! I think. Oh, fuck. Alright, fuck. Ah! Radio, ref. Radio. Yeah, motherfucker.
I lifted it up. I'm like, I don't think you're hit, but then the ball dropped off.
Hey, you check my tank real quick? Let's just see how much I got left.
1.5.
That should be good enough. Well, my fucking paint keeps breaking.
Is that a progressive barrel or whatever?
I don't know. It came with the gun. I need to switch it out.
Okay.
I think it's a piece of shit. It's probably what's causing all my paint to break.
I used to have one a long time ago.
What I really want to get is I want to get that ramrod, just so for the shits and giggles factor. It's that one that doesn't even look like a barrel. It's supposed to be the loudest one ever. It's like, this thing's ancient. I'm walking back.